Experience unmatched relaxation with top-tier camping chairs crafted for strength and convenience. Built with robust materials and breathable seating, they ensure lasting comfort wherever you go. Lightweight and effortlessly foldable, these chairs deliver ergonomic support and quick setup for every outdoor escape. In this video, we recommend the 7 best camping chairs. Based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair. The Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair is designed to bring exceptional comfort and convenience to every outdoor occasion. Featuring a built-in fork and cooler in the armrest, it keeps your drinks chilled and easily accessible, so you can stay refreshed without leaving your seat. The fully cushioned seat and back provide plush support for extended periods of relaxation, whether you're at a campsite, tailgate, beach, or backyard gathering. This chair is built with a durable steel frame that supports up to 325 pounds, ensuring strong and stable seating. Adjustable arm heights allow you to customize your comfort, while side pockets and a mesh cup holder keep your essentials and drinks close by. With its spacious seating area and comfortable sitting height, it accommodates various body types comfortably. The chair folds easily and comes with a carry bag, making transportation effortless. Combining practicality, sturdiness, and comfort, the Coleman Portable Quad Camping Chair is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable outdoor seat. Number 6. GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker Collapsible Rocking Chair. The GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker is an exceptional folding chair designed to elevate your outdoor relaxation experience. Constructed with a sturdy powder-coated steel frame, this chair supports up to 250 pounds, ensuring reliable and stable seating wherever you go. Soft armrests add an extra layer of comfort, while the integrated phone pocket and beverage holder keep your essentials close at hand. Thanks to its patented spring-action rocking technology, the chair offers a smooth rocking motion on most outdoor surfaces. This makes it perfect for camping trips, sporting events, or relaxing in your backyard. Setting up the chair is effortless, as it opens and closes smoothly, and it folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. Weighing just 11 pounds and equipped with a convenient carry strap, this portable rocker combines durability, comfort, and convenience. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or enjoying outdoor activities, the GCI Outdoor Comfort Pro Rocker delivers superior comfort and functionality in a compact, portable design. Number 5. Amazon Basics Camping Chair. The Amazon Basics Camping Chair offers a comfortable and practical seating solution for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a large mesh back, it promotes breathability and keeps you cool during warm days, enhancing your outdoor experience. The chair also includes a beverage cooler pouch that holds up to 4 12-ounce cans, so your drinks stay close and chilled. Built-in cup holders provide convenient spots for open drinks, while a side pocket keeps essentials like sunscreen and snacks within easy reach. Its heavy-duty steel frame delivers strong, reliable support, ensuring durability for various outdoor activities. For easy transportation, the chair folds compactly and comes with a carrying bag equipped with a shoulder strap. This combination of comfort, convenience, and durability makes the Amazon Basics Camping Chair a dependable choice for camping trips, picnics, and more. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. The Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair is a versatile and compact seating option perfect for camping, beach trips, picnics, barbecues, and sporting events. Its low-profile design and lightweight build make it easy to carry and transport, folding quickly into a compact size that fits into the included storage bag with shoulder straps. Weighing under 7 pounds, it's hassle-free to take anywhere. Comfort is a priority with breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests, providing a cool and relaxing experience even on warm days. The chair sits low to the ground, making it perfect for cozying up by the campfire or enjoying outdoor events. Built with a strong steel and aluminum frame, this chair supports up to 250 pounds, offering reliable durability for many adventures. Combining portability, comfort, and strength, the Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair is an excellent choice for outdoor enthusiasts seeking convenience and quality. Number 3. Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chairs. The Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Camp Chair offers exceptional stability with its unique locking feature, allowing you to lock it open for extra support or close it quickly for easy transport. Designed for comfort, it features no-sag seating made from durable diamond ripstop polyester and breathable mesh on the seat back to keep you cool during long outdoor sessions. Perfectly portable, these chairs are ideal for tailgating, camping, or cheering on your favorite sports teams. Supporting up to 300 pounds, they combine strength and durability for reliable use. Additional conveniences include 2 cup holders, an organizer with zip and mesh pockets, an attached carry strap, and a carry bag, making this chair a versatile and practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Number 2. iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Beach Chair. The iClimb Ultralight Compact Camping Chair offers excellent stability with its square frame and large detachable anti-sinking feet, preventing sinking in sand or soft ground, ideal for beach and outdoor use. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum and durable 600D ripstop Oxford, it's ultralight yet supports up to 330 pounds. Reinforced corners and a breathable ergonomic mesh back provide lasting comfort and durability. Quick and easy to set up, the chair folds compactly and includes a storage bag for easy transport. It also features a deep seat, cup holder, and side pocket for added convenience. Combining portability, strength, and comfort, this chair suits camping, hiking, and all outdoor activities. Number 1. LENCE Portable Camping Chair. The LENCE Portable Camping Chair 4th generation features a solid triangular structure and dual triangle base made from aircraft-grade aluminum, ensuring excellent stability and strength. Weighing just 2.7 pounds, it supports up to nearly 400 pounds, combining lightweight design with durability. Made from rip-proof 600D Oxford ripstop ballistic nylon, the chair has a mesh back for airflow to keep you cool during use. Setup is quick and easy with a central linkage design for fast assembly and disassembly. Compact and portable, it fits into backpacks or carry-on luggage, with side pockets for small essentials. This ergonomic chair is perfect for camping, picnics, beach days, and all outdoor adventures, offering comfort and convenience on the go. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.